If you are a photographer or someone with thousands of photos, organizing them is harder than taking them. Before we even talk about services, here's something important. Most photo libraries are full of duplicates and similar images. Using Picture Echo on Windows or Mac, you can clean those first and instantly reduce your workload. Because people typically rely on professional digitization services, photo organizing experts, cloud-based solutions, but each comes with a different cost, timelines, and limitations. So let's compare some of the most trusted small photo organizing professionals in Austin, Texas, starting with Memory Forward. They are best for full service organizing and digitization. They handle printed photos, albums, slides, and legacy collections. They help you build structured digital libraries. Their prices start from $1 per image, and the customers are very happy with their careful handling of sentimental collections. Next up are the photo managers. They are certified professionals and help with structured workflows. They have a network of trained organizers, and they can work with both physical and digital photo collection. They can organize images, help you set up a photo book, help you set up backup systems. They can restore images. The photo managers are affiliated with many different services and companies, so you can find one in your budget. Next up, Scan Cafe. They are best known for being affordable in bulk digitization. They help with photo scanning, slide scanning. They can turn negatives into digitals. Their prices start with 48 cents per image, but you can also shop bundles in which you send your photo, slides, videos, and they digitize it. People are usually happy with the affordable pricing and the quality of their service and how quick it is. Next up is the Memory Fortress for restoration and digitization. They can help you scan negatives and photos and help you organize them in a digital library. For photos, the prices start at 62 cents per photo. The customers love their high attention to detail and the restoration results. Lastly, we have Legacy Box. It is best for end-to-end physical to digital conversion. They convert printed photos, VHS tapes, film reels, slides, and they ship nationwide, and they deliver everything in an organized digital format. They have a box system which starts from $25. Usually they have a 4.5 to 4.7 star rating. Customers are very happy with the ship your box process. Before you pay for scanning, upload to cloud, or organize manually, there's a smarter step. Use Picture Echo. Picture Echo helps you detect duplicates and similar photos visually, clean thousands of images in minutes, and reduce storage costs before uploading. It works on Windows and Mac. It's also highly rated on Trustpilot, making it a trusted solution for modern photo cleanup. So a professional should be cleaning first, then organizing, and then storing.